Hi everyone, I'm Chris, the Aquarius Traveller. Make sure you subscribe for your worldwide travel content and inspiration. Hi there travellers, and welcome to this week's video on beaches in Bundaberg, in which I will show you the video footage that I've taken recently to help you decide which Bundaberg beach you would like to visit. Bundaberg is located along the Queensland coast, which has some of the best beaches in Australia. Are you wondering which beach is best for you? Well, today I'm featuring over 10 different beaches you can choose from. And if you're feeling adventurous, then check a different one out every day on your visit to the lovely Bundaberg region. I post a lot of outdoor content from hiking, swimming, waterfalls, beaches, and a little camping, and showing you what this big wide world has to offer. If you would like to see more, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my future videos. And don't forget, if you like the video, please smash that like button. Well, first up we have Bargara Beach. Now, Bargara would have to be one of the more popular beaches in Bundaberg to visit. It's only a 15-minute drive away from Bundaberg City and a small inbuilt community of 7,000 people. Furthermore, you have several local shops, seaside cafes, and a lot of accommodation options to choose from. The beach itself is not the highest on my list for beach activities, but it is still really great for photography or walking along the boardwalk. It's also a great spot to meet up with friends or just chilling on the beach for the day. Next up we have Kelly's Beach, which has entrances at both the north and the south end, as well as both having car parks. The northern end has high-rise apartments, a built-up picnic area and a walkway along the beach. Alternatively, in the southern end, it has stairs entering the beach and a small creek that flows into a basin. The water will flow straight past the stairs on high tide into the creek, therefore providing low-key swimming for small children or maybe paddleboarding in the basin. Now, Lady Elliot Island is not really a beach in Bundaberg exactly, but it is worth mentioning as it's very close by. It's an easy day trip tour off the mainland with flights leaving from the Bundaberg airport every day and an easy escape to see the southern part of the magnificent Great Barrier Reef. Matt and I had an amazing day trip here about 18 months ago, and I will put the link to the full video of that trip up above and down below in the description. The day trip includes lots and lots of snorkeling, seeing the local wildlife like birds, lunch in the resort, or just chilling the day away on a luxury resort. Next up we have Neilson Beach, still located near Bargara and just on the northern side, a few minutes from town. Neilson Beach is a clean and great looking spot for swimming or walking the dog. I've even seen plenty of people on their daily walk along the esplanade. If you're looking for somewhere to stay, there's even a caravan park about 100 metres of walk away from the beach. Furthermore, you're going to find the surf club building here too. Now, Elliott Heads Beach is located about 25 minutes from the centre of Bundaberg. Enjoy the surf life on the ocean side, or it's great for bodyboarding or swimming. Alternatively, the mouth of the Elliott River has wave-free channel swimming. The parking is limited and there is a cafe and facilities near the beach entry. This would be high on my list of beaches in Bundaberg to visit. Furthermore, at low tide brings out the rock pools and you have Caravan Park right beside it. Apart from that, there's options to rent a beach house for your stay or accommodation in Bundaberg itself. Now this is Woodgate. It would have to be one of my favourite beaches in Bundaberg, but also just a little further away. It takes about 40 to 50 minutes to get to Woodgate and has a small population of 1,000 people. It's a popular holiday destination for people who live nearby in areas of Queensland. The beach itself is calm, namely being protected by Fraser Island. There are shops, yet another caravan park straight across the road from this beautiful beach. And the white sandy shores stretch for miles and really great for those sunset strolls. Theodolite Creek is still technically part of the Woodgate section. Simply turn left after reaching Woodgate Beach and drive a further 5 minutes down the road. Here you will find some beautiful clear waters, perfect for swimming, and low tide brings in several sandbars and channels to cross. One side opens to the elements but still calm. Alternatively, the creek has a boat ramp into the water and would be great for paddleboarding or jet skiing. It's shaded by woodlands made of swamp paperbarks, blue gums and weeping cabbage trees. The car park and day use area is sheltered by winds and views of the creek. It's also surrounded by a 20,000 hectare national park with brilliant scenery and provides a diverse range of holiday activities. Activities include relaxing in the shade, four-wheel driving, watching the shorebirds or other wildlife, kayaking in the creek, paddleboard or fishing. Fishing and crabbing are often very common in the area and you might be lucky enough to catch yourself some dinner. Now, I haven't spent a huge amount of time at Moore Park Beach, but 2,500 people live here in the community. With that in mind, I still managed to get the beach by myself on this visit. It's located on the north side of Bundaberg, over the railway, and takes about 30 minutes to get there. I found a small amount of surf and the beach stretches along for maybe 20 kilometres. The entry point had some picnic tables and shaded areas, or alternatively, I hear the northern end is a four-wheel driving section. Now this one here is Mon Repos Beach, and a lot of people might have actually heard of this one, but you won't find the Mon Repos Beach open to the public all year round. It's mostly known as the Mon Repos Conservation Park or the Mon Repos Turtle Centre. If you didn't know, between October and April of each year, the beach is a nesting station for the Bundaberg turtles. The Turtle Centre will run nightly visits to see loggerhead turtles laying eggs or baby hatchlings scrambling down the beach. For the rest of the year, this is just like any other beach and you can go swimming or soak in the rays. Lastly, we have Oaks Beach. Now this brings the coastline to the tourists or 2,500 residents of Elliott Heads. Still a very clean but small beach, and there are a few rocks around. However, your kids might get a kick out of these soldier crabs making thousands of little sand balls along the beach. This is also known as a turtle nesting spot as well and could be closed to the public during nesting season. I hope you were able to decide which of the beaches in Bundaberg you want to visit, and thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash that like button for me because it really helps out my channel. See you next time, guys.